Hi, here's a yummy dish that your family's gonna love. Ginger beef and asparagus in hoisin sauce. If you want to know the ingredients and the exact measurements used in this video, please comment down below. First, you need to cut your beef into strips or smaller portions and marinate it with light soy sauce and Chinese cooking wine. Marinating the meat in Chinese cooking wine helps in tenderizing. Meat becomes more tender if marinated in wine before cooking. Add a little bit of cornstarch and continue mixing until the beef is fully coated. Then set aside. Create a slurry by mixing water and cornstarch. Heat oil in a pan and then saute the minced ginger. Add the marinated beef slices and stir fry on high heat until the beef changes its color and no longer pink. When the beef is cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Using the same pan, heat some oil. When oil is hot enough, you can now fry the sliced asparagus. If you're using smaller or thinner asparagus, you don't need to slice them. Add some hoisin sauce to the asparagus and continue stir frying. Add some water and then boil. After boiling, let simmer, and then while simmering, you can now pour in the slurry, mix them together, continuously stirring while stir frying until the soup thickens, and you will notice that the soup is thickening. And then at this point, you can now add the beef slices that was pre-cooked. Yes, then you mix them all together. Add in some sesame oil to give the aromatic fragrance. Keep stirring, but at this time you can now adjust the heat to lower. And then it's now time to remove it from the heat and put it on a plate or serving platter. And then sprinkle some sesame seeds before serving. Use roasted sesame seeds. Then it's now ready to serve. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.